Hi students, in the previous video, I made you understand about present perfect tense. Today we shall learn about next type of tense, that is past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? Past perfect tense talks about an action completed before a given moment in the past. It means it is used to express an action in the past which was completed before another action. Means one action got completed before the second action. Here in example, when I reached home, she had already cleaned the room. Means one action was already complete before the second action, when the second action happened. So this past perfect tense talks about two correlated past actions. Let's understand this with the help of a worksheet. Here our worksheet is: complete the following using the past perfect tense of the verbs in the brackets. So here our verb in the bracket is promise. I promised my baby sister that I would take her to the children's park if she behaved nicely throughout the day. Means here let's find out our action word. This is our action word. It means one action happened before the another action. I promise. So here we are supposed to write here the correct form of the verb, that is past perfect tense. And what are the rules for past perfect tense? In past perfect tense we use had and third form of the verb. So one action got completed before the another. So I had promised. So this already happened. I had promised before this action. This already happened before the second action. Action number 1, action number 2. Next is, when I reached back in the evening, I was pleasantly surprised to see that my sister dash, in the bracket it's cleaned her room perfectly. Again two actions are happening. Means one action happened before the another one. So here one action reached, next action cleaned. But as we are supposed to write the correct form, the past perfect form, so with cleaned, had cleaned. I was pleasantly surprised to see that my sister had cleaned her room perfectly. Then she dash put her books in the book rack. She dash changed the bed sheet. She dash her homework. These all actions are correlated with this one. Means when he reached back, these all actions had done by the sister, the baby sister. So past perfect tense will be used. She had put her books in the book rack. She had changed the bed sheet. She had finished. Finish is our verb. She had finished her homework and had even learnt her science work. So these all actions are correlated with the first action. So this is the second action and these all are done previously. Means two actions correlated. These all actions correlated. When the person reached back, these all things were already done, had already done by the baby sister. The next, mother told me that she dash, and this also happened earlier before he reached back. So again for earlier action, correlated action, she had helped in the kitchen too. I was impressed since she dash her word. Again we are talking about past perfect, means action happened before. One action happened before the another. She had kept. Since she had kept her word, I decided to keep my promise too. Means this is next action and one action got completed before it. So both the actions correlated. So this talks about past perfect tense.